Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I love using my external monitor at home, and when I'm on the go, it's even handier to have this awesome one for mobile pixels. This monitor is an external monitor that you can easily attach to the top of your laptop so that you can have your workspace ready anytime. You can magnetize this monitor to the top of your laptop and keep it with you whenever you go. Once you open your laptop screen, you can easily slide the external monitor out. The monitor easily powers on by feeding off of the energy from your laptop. They include a USB cord that attaches from the external screen right to your computer. I'm super impressed by the really great clarity of this screen. Although it's only 13 inches, you really get great color that comes out of this, and you can easily see even when working outside. In addition, you can adjust the brightness to a higher or lower, along with some other settings that are available on the monitor. The monitor attaches really easily to your Apple devices with one cord or two cords if you need to use it with your Android device. In addition, what I really like is that the monitor is so flexible. You can set this up so that it can be a tablet kind of scene. You can flip it around so that it's on the back of your computer for presentations. Really, it has so many different possibilities that allow you to use this in such a functional way. This is such a great idea. It's so nice to be able to know that even if you're traveling, you'll still have that extra screen room as needed, and you'll be really impressed with how light it is, but how functional it is, and by the beautiful color that comes out of this monitor. It's super handy to have with you whenever you need it, but that's just my point of view.